How to use Grok AI for content creation and blogging. Need help writing blogs or social posts? Grok AI makes content creation fast and creative, and let's see how to do it. First, open Grok AI and type something like write a blog intro about remote work benefits. You'll instantly get a polished paragraph. You can follow up with prompts like add subheadings, expand it, or make it sound casual. You can also ask Grok to generate outlines, catchy titles, or SEO friendly tags for your content. Use short and focused instructions. It helps Grok stay on topic and deliver stronger writing results. Do you use Grok for creative or business writing? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Grok AI for content creation and blogging. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.